Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back here at 𝗨𝗪𝗁𝗁 Philippines. Finally, the Ford Ranger is finally complete. We've managed to finish the installation process of our paint protection film on this very nice vehicle, and the finish, the output is very good. It's amazing. It looks very nice on this vehicle, especially on black. And at the same time, this vehicle can now enjoy superior protection when it comes to its painted surfaces. So where we install the paint protection film is on the painted surfaces. We have it here as well on the side of the doors, the bumper, the side fenders, and so on. So this car is going to have protection of up to 10 years on this paint protection film because this product that we installed is estimated to last up to 10 years with proper care. Now, another vehicle that we're working on for today is we're transferring on this Ford Everest, another black vehicle. This is a titanium version. We are completing the paint protection film install that we have on this car. So this is going to also enjoy the same level of protection that we have installed on this Ford Ranger. So guys, if you're in the market for paint protection film, if you want to step up your level of protection for your vehicle, again, the original paint in your car is very, very important. You can have your car repainted elsewhere, but there's nothing comparable to the original paint that comes with your vehicle. So feel free to visit us here at 𝗨𝗪𝗁𝗁 Philippines, and we'll be happy to help. We'll see you here at the office.